Welcome back to Live Traders Hub. Today, we've got a topic that's music to the ears of many investors: dividend investing. Cut to title card, Episode 9, Dividend Investing and Income Strategies. Host, Enthusiastic. In this episode, we're going to dive deep into the world of dividend investing, a strategy that's all about generating passive income from your investments and financial charts. Host, explaining, dividend investing isn't just about buying stocks, it's about building a portfolio that pays you back in the form of dividends. Let's get started. Host, narrating, first off, what is dividend investing? It's a strategy where you focus on stocks that pay regular dividends to their shareholders. These dividends can provide a steady stream of income. Cut to a chart showing dividend yield. Host, pointing at the chart, one key metric we'll cover is the dividend yield, which tells you how much a company pays out in dividends relative to its stock price. Transition to a graph showing dividend growth. Host, explaining, we'll also explore dividend growth. This indicates how consistent a company has been in increasing its dividend payments over time. It's a sign of financial health. Cut to host holding a diversified portfolio. Host, sharing, next, we'll discuss strategies for building a diversified dividend-focused portfolio, industries, and some specific dividend aristocrats. Cut to host back at the desk. Host, summarizing, so, whether you're a retiree looking for income or simply want to add an income stream to your investments, dividend investing can be a smart strategy. Host smiling. Host, encouraging, thanks for joining us on this journey through dividend investing. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Closing screen. Subscribe, like, and follow us on social media. Host, waving, until next time, here's to building your wealth and securing your financial future. Take care. End.